Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ShipBob account for 3PL fulfillment step by step clearly. To authenticate your ShipBob account for 3PL fulfillment, begin by visiting the ShipBob website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the API or integrations tab. Click on the API section to access your API keys. Here, you will find an option to generate a new API key if you do not have one. Follow the prompt to create and copy the new API key. Next, open your e-commerce platform or the system you intend to integrate with ShipBob. Locate the section for third-party logistics or fulfillment services within your platform. Paste the API key you copied from ShipBob into the designated field. Be sure to save your changes in the e-commerce platform. After saving, return to your ShipBob account and confirm the integration by checking the connection status. You might need to run a test order to ensure that everything is set up correctly. If your test order is successful, your account is now authenticated for 3PL fulfillment. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section in ShipBob for troubleshooting tips. With these steps completed, you are now ready to start fulfilling orders through ShipBob. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.